Wow. In 3 days, Terra Classic has been able to destroy over 224 million coins of Terra Classic. Over 224 million has been destroyed within the past 3 days. But if you have been following Terra Classic, you will know that this number is what Terra Classic used to burn in a single day. Now, it's taking them about 3 days, 3 whole days for them to be able to burn this number. Now, most times, let's say 80-90% times, Terra Classic has been burning about between an average of 184 million coins of Terra Classic LUNC. So for me, this number is something is really not happening, because I don't think the burning is something we should be like, wow, no. I think we should be asking why, what is going on. And I believe that this month, if you have been following Terra Classic for some time, you will know that this month of June is even better than last month. So I believe in the next coming month of July, yes, July will be more better than June, which is June that is more better than May. Okay, so I believe before now to the ending, this coin you are seeing today will definitely rise. This coin you are seeing today, there will be a lot of changes. Okay, there will be a lot of changes, and I believe in the nearest future, not even a long period of time, within a short period of time, even maybe this year, we'll be seeing LUNC burning over 500 million to 1 billion coins in 24 hours period in one day. It is possible this year. I'm not saying next year. I'm not talking about 2024. I am talking about 2023. This is what is going to happen. Baby, if they really work on their project, because they have actually come up with so many projects. Okay, so if this project turns out to be successful the way they were actually planned, if these projects, and if we gain more support, because without support, Terra Classic is going nowhere. That is the truth. Everything in life needs support. Whether you're into political career, whether you're into business, whatever you're into, you need support. Without support, you might not be achieving a lot. So this is why LUNC need huge support, and I believe with such support, in the next 5 months, we'll be seeing LUNC burning over 700 million to 1.2 or 1.5 billion coins just in one day. It is possible. Well, let's hope for the best, and I believe in the next future, Terra Classic will definitely make us proud.